Hello everyone, this is Unboxer King and welcome to the channel. So for this video, this is a series of video that we're doing for the Rise first mini album, Rising. So I have here two copies of the collect book. So these are the collect book that we have. So we have here the front and then this is the back. Let's open this up so you could see what they look like. Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, I think I need to open it in the side. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, there you go. There we go. Oops. Okay, so let's start with this version. Let's remove all the inclusion first, and then we'll proceed with a quick flip through. Okay, so this is really nice. So it has a plastic cover, and then this is the back, which has the group photo. Okay, so let's look into this photo book. This is a collect book. So I think this is a consolidation of all the photos from the 3 version. I'm not really sure. But since we are opening this one before we open the photo book version, but we do have all the members here. So the first track here is the title track, which is Boom Boom Bass, which is really, really nice. Then we have here Siren. Nice. I really like the concept for Rise in this particular version. So we have there Unsuk and Wonbin, of course, and then Shotaro and Sunchan. And then this is track number 3, which is Impossible. You have Anton and Soy here. Oh, so the texture of the photo book changes mid-part. It's now very glossy. Nice. The 4th track is 9 Days. I really like this concept for Sohee. If you don't know, he is my bias in Rise. But of course, we are an OT7 collector. So we are collecting every member. Honestly, as track 5. Nice. I love this close-up photo of the members. One Kiss, track number 6. And then we have Talk Sexy for track number 7. And the last track is Love 119. So this is a long time coming, considering that they released Talk Sexy and Love 119 months ago, and we're just getting their physical album. Oh, I love this photo. Nice. Okay, that's the photo book for the collect book. So let's look at the inclusion. Let's start with this one. This is the CD plate. There you go. It's very plain. Nice. And then this is the CD plate holder. Okay. I think this is random. This sticker is random. So it means, I think there are 3 versions of this. And then there's member-specific ID card. And we pulled Sunchan. Nice. Then we have all the members. I'm not sure if this is still random because it has all the members' name. It also has the album sticker. Is this sticker? I think it is. Then we have here some photo. Oh, it's just 2. So I guess there is an opportunity for you to get the other 4 members. And then we have a complete member set here. There you go. And I would assume that the photo cards are here. For the collect book, there are 3 versions per member, but you're gonna get 1 set out of the 3 set. So hopefully we don't pull any duplicate here. Okay, for this one, we have this set. Okay, it's already an OT6. We have Sunchan, sorry, Shotaro, and this is the back. Nice. Then we have here Unso, the back. We have Sunchan, we have the back. One then. There we go. We have here Sohi. And then let's move it a bit to the left. And then we have here Anton. Nice. Okay, so let's open up our second version. So we're not going to do another flip through for this one. We're just going to look into the photo cards and probably the stickers and ID if it's a duplicate or not. Okay, here we go. So everything is here. We're not going to pull everything out, but we did see that the ID is Sunchan again. So I'm not sure if the stickers are the same. I think it's different because I didn't see this one in the other one. And this is a bit different, I think, in terms of the stickers, which is nice. For the members, we pulled Sunchan and what's the other one? Oh, it's Unsok. And then we have another OT6 here. Nice. Okay. So let's put it here. And then we'll look into the random photo cards. Random photo card set. I'm hoping this is not a duplicate. We're going to be seeing... Oh no. Oh no, it's a duplicate. That's very unfortunate considering I purchased this on a separate seller. So we have here the photo card set again, same photo card set. So it means we're missing two more set of photo cards. But if you guys pulled a similar photo card set, if you want to trade or if you want to exchange particular photo card that I pulled from my previous unboxing, please feel free to DM me or follow me on my YouTube channel, of course, and my Twitter account if you want to do some trading there. Okay, so this is my unboxing of Treasure First mini album Rising. This is the collect book version. I am unboxing all the versions separately, so if you want to check out all the unboxing, please look it in my channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.